Hi everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to export data and selection to CSV. The export range to file feature of Kutools for Excel can help us export the selection to a CSV file easily in Excel. Select the range which you will export to CSV. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and select Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog box, please do as follows. Check the CSV, comma delimited. Click the Browse button to specify the destination folder you will save the new CSV file into. Click the OK button. And it's optional to check the Open File after exporting. Click the OK button. In the second Export Range to File dialog, please enter a name for the CSV file and click the OK button. Now all data in the specified selection is exported to a new CSV file. The Export Range to File feature can export a range of data to a single Excel workbook, a CSV file, a simple or all formatting HTML file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.